Lower your sword. Do so, and I will forgive your impertinence.
Oh, will you? Don't get carried away, Your Highness. For the mockery of my family and my people, you deserve certain death.
Final warning. Lower your sword. Now, Ascalon.
Ascalon's a nickname. So I'll tell you the true name bestowed upon me by my mother. I am Lucius Artorius Castus, which means, as the heir of Artorius, I'm the rightful king and ruler of all of Britannia. Hurry! Attack, men!